You ever feel like the grandkids were born knowing how to use YouTube and you're still figuring out which button to push? I get it. I've been there. But I've also seen something amazing. People in their 60s, 70s, and 80s turning a simple hobby into real income. From home with just a phone. And today I'm going to show you how your golden years could be your most profitable years yet. I know what it feels like to think, I'm too old for this tech stuff. For a long time, I believed that too. I've watched others online cooking, teaching, telling stories while I sat back wondering if that world had passed me by. And one day, I stopped waiting for perfect. I turned on my phone camera and just started talking. Not about fancy topics, just real life. The garden, the grandkids, lessons from a long road. And guess what? People listened. Not because I was polished or perfect, but because I was real. So if you're sitting there thinking, it's too late, I'm here to tell you it's not. It might just be your time. Here's where it begins. Start right where you are. You don't need fancy gear. You don't need a studio. You already have what you need. Your phone, your story, and your voice. Your kitchen table can be your studio. Your back porch can be your backdrop. Talk about what lights you up. Gardening, woodworking, travel, faith, family, whatever makes your heart move. People don't need perfection. They need connection. And you spent decades gathering stories that mean something. That's what people crave online. Truth, humor, realness. When I filmed my first video, I was nervous. My hands were shaking. I even forgot to hit record the first time. But I kept going. This first step is simple. Record a 60 seconds clip today. Don't worry if it's rough. Don't even post it. Just start. Once you hear your own voice, you'll realize how much wisdom it carries. Like this message. Comment below if it resonates with you. The next thing that helped me more than anything is keeping it short and real. Under 5 minutes is your sweet spot. Tell a story, share what you learned, and stop there. Every video should have a heartbeat, something real behind it. No acting, no scripts, just you. Don't worry about your wrinkles, your voice, or your lighting. Those things make you human. People want to see someone they trust, not someone pretending to be perfect. Batch your videos if you can. Sit down one day, record 2 or 3 short ones. You'll be amazed how natural it starts to feel. And don't overwhelm yourself learning 10 editing tools. Pick one, maybe CapCut or iMovie, and learn just that. What you'll notice is that sharing becomes easier. The fear fades. You'll stop worrying how you look and start caring about who you're helping. When I did that, my confidence grew faster than my channel. If this sounds like something you'd like to try, drop a 5 in the comments. That tells me you're ready to keep it real. The third piece, and maybe the most important, is consistency. Pick one day, call it New Video Wednesday, then keep that promise to yourself. It's not about going viral, it's about showing up. I remember my first comment. Someone wrote, "Thank you for saying that. I thought I was the only one." That one comment made all the difference. Every view, every like, every small step, it compounds over time. Celebrate your tiny victories. Your first upload, your first subscriber, the first time someone says you made their day. That's the fuel that keeps you going. Reply to comments, build your connections, start conversations. That's how your small channel becomes a little community. And don't stress about perfection. Just improve one thing each week. Like week 1, post something. Week 2, add captions. Week 3, make your intro stronger. That's how progress happens, small, steady steps. And when life gets busy or motivation dips, go back to your why. Why are you doing this? Maybe it's for freedom. Maybe it's for purpose. Maybe it's just to remind yourself that you're still learning and growing. That's enough reason to keep going. Subscribe if you're ready to start your journey too, and to remind yourself each week that small steps really do add up. Here's what I've learned. Your golden years aren't about slowing down. They're about shining in a new way. You've lived enough life to teach, inspire, and uplift others. And the beauty of YouTube is it's never too late to start. So subscribe to the channel. Let's grow together. Let's share what we've learned. And when you're ready to explore more, go to williamfeaver.com/CAIO, that's where I share deeper training, tools, and free resources to help you turn your ideas into income. Think of it as your digital retirement bonus. You don't have to chase youth or perfection to make an impact. You just have to show up exactly as you are. Because truthfully, you're not behind, you're right on time. Your golden years, they're not the end of the story. They're the beginning of your next chapter.